The benefits of PEMFs. The advantages of PEMF therapy are that it is safe. Even the FDA considers PEMF devices to be wellness devices. They are non-toxic. In other words, they don't produce or enter anything into the body, and therefore the body does not have to detoxify from the PEMFs. They're not a drug. There's no need for metabolism or to have it eliminated from the body. They're non-invasive. There's no risk of injury, no need for recovery after injury. They're natural. They use the body's own natural capacity to produce energy, stimulate RNA and DNA, and repair. They restore the tissue, again by circulation and many of the other mechanisms of magnetic field therapies. And they also help with tissue regeneration. They're energizing by bringing in oxygen, by increasing circulation to the tissues, increasing ATP, which is the natural source of energy in the cells. They work deep in the body. Nothing in the body stops a magnetic field, not even metal, because all the magnetic fields do is bend around the metal. But basically they go all the way through the body, completely through, without being absorbed or used up. They activate many other treatments, including supplements. Supplements supply nutrients to the body or various other biochemicals, but they have to be activated. Often they just sort of sit there, and magnetic field therapy activates the supplements and makes them absorb better. Magnetic field therapy opens up membrane channels, and so the nutrients get into the cell better and the waste gets out of the cell better. You can treat yourself at home. The beauty of PEMF therapy is you don't have to go somewhere to get therapy, spend the money to do that, because often these kinds of therapies are not covered by any insurances, so you can do your own treatments at home. But they're also designed, in many cases, to be available to be used by doctors or professionals as well. So the right kind of device would have to be purchased depending on the setting that is being used. So they stimulate the body's own natural capacity for healing. Every tissue in the body can be healed using PEMFs. They're reusable, so once you get a PEMF system, you can keep using it over and over as long as the equipment lasts, and usually it lasts for years. And there's plenty of scientific evidence to support the value of PEMFs. In the Power Tools for Health book, there are over 500 scientific references about magnetic field therapies. I also have a library of abstracts, of over 30,000 abstracts on the effects of magnetic fields on biology.